Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be talking about Facebook, and I'll be taking you on how to change Facebook name. Guys, before we dive into today's topic, I would like you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below. So guys, if you want to change your Facebook name, all you need to do is to go to your browser. You type in the Facebook address. You are in the Facebook interface for logging in. You enter your login details, your username and your password. You click on login. So you can see I'm logging in. I have successfully logged in into my Facebook. So for me to change the name in my Facebook, all I need to do is to click on the gear button at the top right corner. We scroll down. We move to settings. Click on settings. You click on personal and account information. You click on name. So guys, for you to change your Facebook name, you have to edit the current name by typing in the new name you want to use for your Facebook, and you click on review change. After you click on review change, your Facebook name will be changed automatically and it will be shown on your profile. So guys, that is it on how to change Facebook name. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give me a thumbs up by liking the video. Comment on the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys, and see you in our next video.